Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix spatial wallpaper not working on iOS26. So some say it is because you don't have a strong internet connection, but I strongly disagree because the main problem that I saw during this making of the video is that because the wallpaper that you chose doesn't support the 3D effect. So I'm going to show you how to check if the wallpaper does support the 3D effect. So let's start by clicking a random wallpaper. So as you can see on the upper right, below the three dotted button here, as you can see, there is another button, a tiny little button. So if you click that one, you can check if it shows, this little button shows, that means that this wallpaper does support the 3D effect. So let us check. So as you can see, as I move my phone away, as you can see, the image is also in a 3D effect now. So as you can see, the other wallpaper doesn't have the tiny little button in the upper right. So that means this wallpaper does not support the 3D effect. So let's try this one again. Let's try another uh, wallpaper. So this one, as you can see, as I'm moving my phone away, see, it does support the 3D effect, but this one doesn't have the button, the tiny little button in the upper right. So that means this wallpaper does not support the 3D effect. So to make this work, guys, you just have to click this one to set this at as your wallpaper. So you just have to click the three dot button here on the upper right. I know, just click this forward button in the bottom left, and then use as wallpaper. Click it. As you can see, it is preparing, and then click this button here in the bottom right, that one. So as you can see, you already have your 3D wallpaper effect. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.